Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Go.Compare equivalent shopping with policy quotes via Policygenius detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Policygenius website. Once the home page loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the type of insurance you are interested in comparing. Press enter or click on the search icon to proceed. On the next page, you'll find various insurance options available for comparison. Select the category that best fits your needs. You will be prompted to enter some basic information. Fill in the required fields such as your age, location, and coverage needs. After entering your information, click on the Get Quotes button. The system will begin processing your request and generate a list of available policies. Once the quotes appear, you can view the details of each policy. Take your time to compare coverage options, limits, and premiums. If you see a policy that interests you, click on it for more in-depth information. Review the specific terms and conditions associated with that policy. Pay particular attention to any exclusions or additional fees mentioned. If necessary, adjust your coverage needs and rerun the comparisons. To refine your search, use the filters to narrow options by price or company. Once you have identified a suitable option, you can proceed to apply. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the application process. During this process, you may need to upload documents or provide additional details. After completing the application, review your entries for accuracy. Finally, submit your application and await confirmation from the provider. You will receive a follow-up email with further instructions on your policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.